Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Deriv Bot Builder installed, your Deriv account ready, and an API token generated. Open the builder and pick demo mode to test safely. Once done, switch to real only after validation. You should also choose the asset, timeframe, and one core trade trigger to avoid complexity. This initial focus speeds iteration and reduces errors, because a narrow scope helps you validate logic quickly and prevents chasing too many variables at once. You now build the strategy flow. Drag an entry block, then attach conditional checks like indicator crossovers or price thresholds. Make sure each condition has a clear purpose. Once attached, add exit rules and risk controls, position sizing, stop loss, take profit, and max trades to keep drawdown manageable. As you connect blocks, run step tests to observe variable values. If a condition fails, isolate it and rerun only that branch. This focused testing saves time and ensures your core logic behaves as intended. You finish by backtesting across varied market conditions, then move to a forward demo run to confirm real-time behavior. Make sure results align with expectations. Once satisfied, deploy with a small allocation and enable verbose logs and alerts so you can react quickly. If trades behave unexpectedly, check the logs for mismatched variables or time zone issues. One key troubleshooting tip is to replay the failing scenario in demo mode with logs on, so you can inspect each decision and patch the rule without risking capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.